Irreechaa, the festival of Thanksgiving, the heartbeat of the Oromo people. Once every year, when the rainy season ends and the bright season begins, millions gather near rivers and lakes. The most famous of all, Lake Arsadi in Bishoftu, becomes a sea of colors, songs, and prayers. Men, women, and children dress in traditional white, decorated with vibrant colors of red, white, and black. In their hands, they carry fresh green grass and beautiful flowers, symbols of life, fertility, and hope. Step by step, they walk together, singing, dancing, and praising Waaqa, the Almighty God, for the blessings of the past year. At the water's edge, elders lift their voices in prayer. They thank Waaqa for peace, for harvest, for family, for life itself. They pray for unity, for harmony, for a future filled with light. Around them, the youth rejoice with dances, the air filled with traditional music, ululation, and joy. But Irreechaa is more than celebration. It is memory, identity, and faith. It teaches gratitude, respect for nature, and love for community. It reminds the Oromo that true strength lies in togetherness, that life is sacred, and that peace is the path forward. Today, Irreechaa has crossed borders. From Oromia to the world, it is celebrated by Oromo communities across continents. It unites generations, connecting those at home and those in the diaspora, in one voice of thanksgiving. Irreechaa is not just a festival, it is a living tradition, a cultural treasure, a spiritual bridge between people and God, between humanity and nature. It is joy, it is peace, it is unity. Irreechaa, a day to remember, a day to give thanks, a day to celebrate life.